Hey guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net is an American website and we are promoting our yarn, making this video showing you how to make beautiful things, and today I will be making this beautiful snowman. So here he is, this beautiful guy, and he is made with white. Hat is in the royal blue. The scarf is our candy cane red and a little bit of yellow. So this guy needs 2 skeins of white, half skein or even less than half skein of royal blue, a little bit of candy cane red, and a little bit of yellow. I also use these buttons that I bought on Amazon for the eyes. So this yarn is available at BeCozi.net or BeCozi.com, and you can purchase it with the 10% off discount after watching this video. Use video 10 coupon. Let's get started.